one more to put on this side, and I have the exact same again on the far side. You see, it's the exact same thing on that side again. And I have two to put on that side as well. But each of these, when we bored them with a Hilti bit, took us 10 minutes with a big Bosch, big Bosch drill. Because it's awful hard concrete. So when I go down here, I have to spend about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes with the drill. And it gets so hot with this right angle chuck, I have to leave it for 45 minutes. Right. But I got this one done, I got half it, and my chuck broke. So we have to get another one. But that's the only way I can get them, obviously, with the room I have here. But again, when you're doing it, you have no room. That's why it's taking long. We can get it done, but it's just going to take, I have to keep going back to it. I can't keep going all the time. So
that's just with the bottom row.
Just this one and this one and the same with the far and the same over the far. Just the bottom two here, because I can get these here with the drill, the bigger drills, but obviously I can't with them ones down here. And this is the, that's for tightener. 36. It's enough, dog. Even this is a ton weight, do you know. But it's the only way we can. It's the only way we can do it, and we're getting it. Like I said, I've one them done, and if we chucked a break, I would have the other one finished yesterday.
We're not going to put in the non-string grout until the drilling done.
Because we thought it might do vibrations or something. No, I have it packed and stuff, but I have the grout and all below, the non-string grout, Larson's non-string grout. But I said there's no point putting it until I've all done, for fear. No, I don't imagine it'll vibrate if it goes up to that. But it's but you literally have to be down here to get these in, you know, and you have no pushing power. But it is what it is, you know. But I will get the far side as well. I have the same hole on this side as the far side, so I will get them. But it's just going to take a while. Yeah.
The channel on this side of the top beam we have to take out as well, because it's hitting the slates. So this channel over David's head here. Right. So this channel has to come out again because it's cutting the rafters and it's hitting the slate.
The lead soaker above. The back corner is hitting the lead soaker.
It's very close, is it?
Yeah.
It is, yeah.
There's no way of upholding it.
No, it's cutting the slates. It's going through the line of the slates.
Can you work up and over on the soaker outside?
Well, it's the slates that's the problem. It's breaking the straight line of the slates.
Because they kind of take a dip.
Yeah, so